Fashion styling is one of the key areas where there will be a lot of innovation when it comes to generative AI. The fashion industry is a highly lucrative business with an estimated value of 2.1 trillion by 2025. This field encompasses a diverse range of segments such as creation, manufacture, distribution, and sales of clothing, shoes, and accessories. This industry is in a constant state of change with new styles and trends appearing frequently. Therefore, fashion companies must be flexible and able to adapt in order to maintain their relevance and achieve success in the market. Generative artificial intelligence or Gen AI refers to AI algorithms designed to generate new content such as images, text, audio, or video based on a set of learned patterns and data. It can be utilized to generate new and innovative apparel designs while offering improved personalization and cost effectiveness. AI driven design tools can create unique apparel design based on input parameters or styles specified by potential customers through text prompts. Furthermore, AI can be utilized to personalize design to the customer preference. For example, a customer could select from a variety of colors, patterns, and styles, and AI models would generate a one of a kind design based on those selections. The adoption of AI in the fashion industry is currently hindered by various technical, feasibility, and cost challenges. However, these obstacles can be mitigated by utilizing advanced Gen AI methods such as natural language based image semantic segmentation and diffusion for virtual styling. On your screen, you can see an implementation of Gen AI assisted fashion online styling using text prompts. In this, machine learning engineers can fine tune and deploy text to semantic segmentation and in painting models based on pre trained clip-seg and stable diffusion with AWS SageMaker. This enables fashion designers and consumers to create virtual modeling images based on text prompts and choose their preferred styles. As you can see on your screen, this is a clip-seg model. This clip-seg model introduced a novel image semantic segmentation method, allowing you to easily identify fashion items in pictures using simple text commands. It utilizes a text prompt or an image encoder to encode textual and visual information into a multimodal embedding space, enabling highly accurate segmentation of target objects based on the prompt. The model has been trained on a vast amount of data with techniques such as zero shot transfer, natural language supervision, and multimodal self supervised contrastive learning. This means that you can utilize a pre trained model that is publicly available by Timo without the need for customization. And I will put the link to that Timo's model in the video's description. I hope that you found it useful. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.